Welcome to Quant Risk. Do you know how many people are more than 6 feet tall? I have not counted, but normal distribution can help us estimate. The world population has reached approximately 8.2 billion people. Let's focus on adult males aged 15 and above, excluding women and children under 15. Approximately 24% of the global population are adult males aged 15 and above. This equates to about 1.97 billion individuals. The average height for adult males worldwide is 173 centimeters, with a standard deviation of 7.59 centimeters. To determine the percentage of men taller than 183 centimeters, we calculate the Z-score, 183 to 173, divided by 7.59. Which equals approximately 1.32. A Z-score of 1.32 corresponds to a cumulative probability of 0.9066. Therefore, the probability of a man being taller than 183 centimeters is 1 to 0.9066. Or 9.34%. Applying this percentage to the 1.97 billion adult males, we estimate that approximately 183 million men are taller than 6 feet. While we don't need to count every individual, we can confidently say that approx 183 millions of adult males worldwide are over 6 feet tall. Thanks to the normal distribution. Please like, share, and subscribe for more updates like this from our channel. And don't forget to press the bell button to stay notified.